Living with Shay. I'm trying to do this clip and I just keep sneezing. It's so windy today. I feel like it was windy the last time I did a video. But listen, y'all, if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face right here, I am Shay. Shay with the pow pow. Definitely take a second and subscribe. Also make sure you smash like button, support your girl. And so I was trying to wait for my midweek to see if I can knock out my midweek, y'all, but I'm at home trying to work my numbers and it is so overwhelming for me. And I know a couple of you guys mentioned in the last video that it's overwhelming for you to see me. Guess what? It's overwhelming to be me, okay? It's overwhelming to be me, all right? And so I figured let me just share what I have so far, and then hopefully in the next couple days I can knock out my midweek. And so my goal for today was to use some of the gift cards that I got yesterday. And I can tell y'all this, the biggest tip I can tell you for Fetchtopia so you don't end up fetch broke is do the best deals on day one. Cash out your gift cards. Mine usually takes 70 hours to process, and I'll be clocking it. Use those gift cards to continue to do more deals, all right? That way you're not going to be fetch broke. Not fetch broke. You're going to be PayPal broke, all right? The first year they did Fetchtopia, I was PayPal broke, all right? All I had at the end of the day was a bunch of Walmart gift cards. So I learned by the second time around to do it this way, and it works perfect, all right? And so I was trying to use up some of the gift cards today on more deals. I have another gift card that I got today, and then I have Walmart one. No, I have a Target one that's coming tomorrow. If I do more Target deals, it'll be with that. But yeah, that's the best tip I could give you as far as that. There was some surveys on Flavor Wiki. Amy let me know about it because y'all know I don't even be checking Flavor Wiki no more. But it was for chips. It was for the Boulder Canyon, Vicky's Jalapeno, and Lay's Original. All right, I got them at Vons with the exception of the Vicky's because it was a little too high, and it's not gonna be any major like money makers, but if it's something that you're gonna grab anyway, it's like, why not? I did have a couple offers for Ripple Street. I got the Bueno ice cream, and I got the Nutella ice cream, which I got at Vons. And then we had Fetch Reward, which was spend 10, get back 150. So that would be a great deal. Other than that, it's gonna be a voiceover. And yeah, so with that being said, we're gonna head over to Walmart first, and then Target, and then Vons, see what kind of awesome deals we can grab today. If you want to see what your girl got, you're gonna hit the like button, keep on watching, and hype your girl up. Alright, y'all, so this first deal is on the Daya shredded cheese. It has to be the Mexican blend. It's priced at $4.66. We have an offer on Fetch Reward for $2. We also have a free offer on Social Nature, making this a $2 moneymaker. I'm finally getting around to doing this deal. It's on the Eggland Best. The dozen is priced at $4.46. I'm going to grab one of these. I'll also be grabbing the mayo as well. For that, you have to buy two specific flavors. They're priced at $3.98. Both items is going to come to $8.44, getting back a $6 deviled egg rebate, which processed in like 2 hours. And then $2 on Fetch will make them 22 cents each with a limit of 2 per person. And I would definitely do them on separate transactions, which is what I did. All right, so since I already have the dipping sauce for this offer, I went ahead and grabbed the mayo. It's on rollback for $4.97. Now, I am using a chiller hang tag for this. I decided to grab this on a separate transaction. I didn't want the coupon to mess up with the deviled egg rebate. And so I paid $2.97 and got back $2 on Fetch, making this only 97 cents. All right, so we're grabbing the beech nut. I was going to grab the beef, but this is a picture from my last haul. The store I was at this particular day didn't carry the beef, so I grabbed the turkey. It's priced at $2.28. I did scan one of the OTCs. It did take off the full amount, making the first one free. And then I grabbed 2 more on a separate transaction. It took off $2. So total for 3 of them, I paid $2.56. I did get back 2 different offers on Fetch. One was $2 and one was 50 cents. So I got back $7.50, making all 3 free plus a $4.94 moneymaker.
All right, so next up is the Beach Nut Puffies. I kind of messed up this offer. They're priced at $2.48. I grabbed two of them because we have an offer on Fetch as buy two get two, but it's not for these. It's for the Melties. And so I ended up just still keeping it. So grabbing two at $2.48, that total will come to $4.96. Getting back a free offer on Social Nature for $2.48, and then 75 cents for each on Ibotta would make them 49 cents each. All right, so I finally found the Fancy Feast layered. I had to drive a little further, 20 minutes out of the way to grab them. But I went ahead and did them on both my Fetch accounts. They're priced at $187 for this. You're gonna grab two of them. You'll end up, well, I grabbed four of them and paid $7.88. We have an offer on Fetch as buy two get back $4.80, which I got back times two, and then we have 50 cents for each on Ibotta. There's also a dollar Bank of America offer as well, making all for a $4.72 moneymaker. All right, so they also is one of the only stores that carries the Minties Fresh Bites. And so these are priced at $8.98. We have $6 back on Fetch when you spend $8. And then we have $2.50 on Ibotta as well. Now I'm gonna see if I would qualify for the Bank of America dollar offer for pets. Those offers are a limit of 5. If it works out, it'll make it a 52-cent moneymaker. So I'll let you guys know how it works out. I went ahead and did one for Walmart Rewards as well. All right, so this deal here is on the Miss Myers. I did this deal on Saturday. I knew I should have waited to see if it would pop up on Checkout 51, which it did. So I did 3 of them on Saturday, and then I did 2 more on Sunday. So they're priced at $9.87. Getting back $5 on either Ibotta or Walmart Rewards, Checkout 51, and then the sister apps makes it a $5.03 moneymaker. Again, I went ahead and did it early, so I ended up getting all 5 of them. I think I did Swagbucks, Inbox, Tada, Easy Bucks, and Upromise, along with both Checkout 51, both Walmart accounts and Ibotta. And so, yeah. Next up is the Arm & Hammer toothpaste, priced at $3.98. I'm getting back $1.50 on Ibotta, Swagbucks, and Checkout 51 will make this a 52-cent moneymaker. I went ahead and grabbed one for Walmart Rewards as well. All right, so next up is the Dial hand soap. They're priced at $3.12. Grabbing 4 of them, that total is going to come to $12.48. I did use 4 of the Pillies that I found on the products, bringing that total down to $8.48. I did get back $2.63 times 2 on Be Frugal, $1 back on Ibotta, and then $2.60 on Fetch. For hitting the $6 mark, making all 4 free a 38-cent moneymaker. Now I went ahead and grabbed another 4 for Swagbucks. Not as great a deal. It made it 72 cents for each on that app. And so, yeah, overall, it's still not a bad deal. All right, so thank you to all of you guys that entered my last video for the BOGO Gatorade hang tags. I'll be sending you guys probably 4 of them each since I have plenty. And so definitely email me. We'll get you verified and we'll get you your coupons. All right, so we're finally over at Target. Gonna be doing the Wonder Cupcake deal. They are priced at $3.69. We have $1.25 digital. You'll pay $2.44, getting back $1.60 on Fetch. 50 cents on Ibotta will make that 34 cents. All right, so next up is the Steeler soda. These are priced at $2.19. We have an offer on aisle. You can get up to 3, making them all free. Now, I am going to see if the Bank of America dollar offer on soda will work for this. If it does, it's going to make this a $1 moneymaker. All right, and so this deal here is on the Hint Water. Now, these are located over by Starbucks in the refrigerator. You know where Target used to have their little, like, restaurant part or whatever. It's over there. They're priced at 99 cents this week. We have a free offer on Fetch up to 3, making all 3 free. All right, so next up is the Function of Beauty. I grabbed the shampoo priced at $7.99. I think this was last week's sale. I also grabbed 2 of the boxes priced at $3.48. I wasn't sure how this deal was going to work out, but it still worked out pretty decent. I paid $14.95, got back $13.90 from Fetch, and $2 on Ibotta. I also went ahead and submitted for the Bank of America shampoo offer for $1 as well, making this a $1.95. So next up is the Made by Dennis Kids Power Toothbrush, priced at $16.99. You're going to grab one, getting that back for aisle. There's also $3.50 back on Ibotta as well, making this a $3.50 moneymaker. There's also one for the black one as well. I believe that one is priced at $19.99, getting back $3.75 on Ibotta. All right, so this is the last deal. It was so sad because I ran out of receipt scans for Fetch, so I had to actually return this. It's on the solar cane. It's priced at $8.99. Now, I did see Spend Less with Sarah on Instagram post this deal. You're getting back $4.99 on Ibotta plus $3.60 on Fetch, brings it down to only 40 cents. All right, so we're at Vons for a few deals. I did find the Lay's there for $2.99. There was a digital you have to clip for that. Getting back 3 on Flavor Wiki. The Boulder Canyon are priced at $3.99, 50-cent digital. You'll pay $3.49, getting back 5, makes it $1.51 moneymaker. Miss Vicky's, we used to carry the 8-ounce as well as the 7.5-ounce, but I couldn't find any 8-ounce. Those are $4.99, getting back $4.50. I didn't grab those, but they are a part of the buy 4 save 4 at $2.99. So if you mix and match, it could be a good deal for you. So next up is a couple ice cream deals for Ripple Street. I was so excited, but these are like 880 calories per container. There's no way I could even rationalize eating. Well, maybe I'll taste it. Let me just be honest. But with me, I can't taste it. If I taste it, I'm gonna eat the whole thing. They're priced at $6.49 though. I grabbed one of each. I got that back through Ripple Street already. And then we have a spend 10, get back $1.50 on Fetch Reward, making this $1.50 moneymaker. So with that being said, I will see you at home for the final breakdown. All right, y'all. So here is my complete haul for today. Y'all know what? I ran out of receipt scans for Fetch on my primary account. So the last deal I did at Target, which was that spray, I have to take that back tomorrow. So I'm not going to count that on Ibotta. I assume they will reverse it. But I did have the Wonder cupcakes on there. So I'm going to submit that receipt with the cupcakes on my second Fetch account. But yeah, I ran out of scans, and I really wish they would allow for more receipt scans during this promotional period. Like that would be really helpful, because you hit 35 receipts really, really quick, per week. And so everything here, besides that, everything else worked out great. I thought that I had an offer on Fetch for those puffies, but I think it was the other ones, the melty. So I don't think I'm gonna get back $2 for that. But it still makes it a pretty decent deal. I'm pretty much gonna be donating all of the beech nut stuff, hopefully this weekend. But everything else here worked out good. As far as aisle, I'm still waiting for the toothbrush to process. Like it's not even on my activity, my transaction yet. So that's the only thing I'm actually waiting for. And I haven't did the Flavor Wiki surveys for the chips yet, which I will probably do tomorrow morning. Other than that, everything else here worked out pretty good. I have like almost 25 receipts, y'all. So you're not gonna see no receipts, not today. See all my receipts? Yeah, I have a ton of receipts. Now I will say with the beech nut, I did one of those turkey packs by itself, and the $2 OTC took off the full amount. And then I grabbed 2 more and used the other $2 one because I only had 2 left. And I wasn't sure if they would stack on the same transaction, so I didn't even try. The deviled egg, $6 rebate, that one processed in like 2 hours. I got it, which was cool. And what I do with those virtual cards is I add them to my Walmart app. Only thing is it's a credit card, so it has to be that amount or less. Otherwise, it's gonna decline. So what I normally do is I normally do small transactions to use that. If I have the physical card, you can do a partial for that, but when it's a virtual one that I know of, you can't. And so that's pretty much how I do it. I break my transactions up just so that I can use all of that.
And so yeah, so I'm gonna try to run through this super fast. So everything that you see here retails $261.31 at $18.03 in coupons. It brought the out of pocket down to $243.28. Y'all, I have 15 different apps, and I just realized I forgot the ice cream. All right, I totally forgot the ice cream. And I really wish I could, y'all, but those are 880 calories each. I'm gonna have to pass, although I really, really, really would love to. I still got Yasos in the freezer. But anyways, and so yeah, 15 different apps, y'all. Okay, so Fetch Reward was $83.62. Aisle was $45. Ibotta, $20.50. Walmart Rewards was $16. Checkout 51 was $13. Ripple Street was $12.98. The Devil Egg offer was $12. Social Nature, $11.80. Swagbucks was $9.50. Flavor Wiki, $8. I did cash out for PayPal for $7.01. Easy Bucks is $6.50. Be Frugal is $5.25. Ta-da and Upromise both $5 each. It brings our total back to $261.16. It's gonna make everything you see here for say $17.88 moneymaker, y'all. I ain't mad at it. I love this haul. I really do. With that being said, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button and at the door. Of course, don't forget to hype your girl up as well. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.